Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how we can create beautiful looking YouTube intro using Canva. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, if you see, I'm currently on canva.com. So in your browser, type canva.com and then guys, you need to create an account using social login like Google or Facebook on Canva. And once you log in, you are going to see this page. So this is their dashboard. Then guys, in order to create a YouTube intro, we need to select social media over here. And then guys, just scroll at the right side. So there is a arrow button over here. And if you see, there is an option called YouTube intro and its resolution is 1920 into 1080 pixels. So you need to click on this create blank. Okay, so this is the area where we create a YouTube intro using Canva. So as soon as we click on the create new button, a new window open in the browser. And guys, this is the blank canvas. On this particular blank canvas, we'll be creating a YouTube intro. So we are currently under designs. Under designs, you can see different types of templates that you can use for creating YouTube intros. And guys, please note that the ones which have this pro basically option, those are the ones which are basically on Canva paid plan. So you need to be on Canva paid plan to use this particular templates. But there are many free options available also. So guys, let's select one which is the best suitable for a YouTube intro. So there you go. Mostly I'll select this one only. Okay. So as soon as I click on select, a new basically option comes wherein we can customize the color and all. So if you see, we can customize the colors. Okay. So this is how we do that. But let me select another basically YouTube intro. So let's select something to travel. So how do we do that? Under search option over here, I'll add travel and I'll press enter. Okay. And then we'll get the templates of the travel category only. Okay. And then we'll select one. Okay. Let me select this one. Okay. As soon as click on select, basically it will show me the all pages which are there under particular intro. So I need to click on apply all four pages and it got added. So now guys, the YouTube intro is ready. So now let's play this. So there you go. This is the YouTube intro. So how cool it is, right? And guys, you can replace the media also. Now let me show you how we can replace the media. Okay. So let me replace media on the second page. Okay. First, we'll select this particular whole media, that is the video, and let's click on delete. Okay. Wait. Okay. Let's select the media, and guys, what we'll do is we'll basically replace the media. Okay. Let's click on delete, and now basically we'll import a video from basically pixels. Okay, for that we need to click on apps, and then guys, over here we need to select pixels. Okay, so under search we'll search for pixels. Okay, this is the app. Okay, now let's click on open. So let's add a photo only. Okay, let's add, yeah, this one. Okay, let's drag and drop. There you go. And now let's animate it little bit so that it looks better. Okay, there you go. Now let's play the YouTube video intro. There you go. And now the image that we had added. Okay, how cool it is, right? Also we can change the names also. I can say like Goa vlog. Okay, now let's play. Guys, similarly, YouTube video intros you can create for your YouTube video. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you learning how we can create good looking YouTube video intro inside Canva. That's all in this video. Thank you.